it's Lynn. I'm back at it again with another video. So today, I got one of my early Christmas presents, y'all. And my parents got me a GoPro. This is what the box looks like. And I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. To the actual GoPro, this is what the box looks like without the GoPro in it. And this is the side. The back. You can also download the app, the GoPro app. The other side, and I got it out the bottom, the top. So yeah, this is the box. Not that very interesting, but here you go. Okay, this is what it looks like when you take it out the box. And I'm so geeked up and so excited right now, and now we're gonna open it. This is the, oh yeah, by the way, this is the back. It's the lens, the front. And yeah, I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so this is one of the first things you get once you open it. Is this little card basically saying if you break it, you know, they can fix it. Go to this website, shop.gopro.com/care. I'm definitely doing this just in case I'm clumsy and break it somehow. Okay, so this is one of the first things you get once you open it. Is this little card basically saying if you break it, you know, they can fix it. Go to this website, shop.gopro.com/care. I'm definitely doing this just in case I'm clumsy and break it somehow. Then when you open that little, you know, accident prone thingy, this is, I guess, instructions on how to use it, basically. Yeah, and it tells you about the app and just, you know, wordless instructions. Here you have important product plus safety instructions. But in all reality, who's really gonna read this? I might skim through it, but I'm not gonna read it. That's all that. This is what you see next, and I'm gonna take these little boxes out of the big box. So hold on. So it wasn't boxes, it was just like that folded. But here go one of the things that you get. I guess a little cord to plug in your GoPro to a computer. Then you got these, I guess, to stick onto stuff, I guess. I'm gonna look at that in a little bit. I'm assuming this is either the battery or, yeah, this is the battery, I'm assuming. I'm not good with technology, as y'all can see. It's a little blurry. It has GoPro on it. Yeah. So this is what it looks like out of the wrapper. Yep. This is, this is the battery, I think. So now I'm gonna show you the GoPro itself. Okay, so this is what it looks like not sticking to the box. And by the way, if you struggle like me to try to take it off, this will tell you how to take it off and put it back on, I guess. So yeah, this is the GoPro. It's so adorable and so cute. And yeah, this is the top of it, the bottom, back, front, side. So I'm gonna try to turn it on. So this is what the case looks like with the GoPro not in it. So yeah, in order to open it, you push up this little part right here, flick it up, and that's when that part opens. That's when this opens and the GoPro can come out. Pretty cool if you ask me. And this is what it looks like without, you know, the stand on it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Very adorable. This comes into play. You stick this right here, and this is the bottom of the GoPro, you guys. You slide it in, bam, and you close it. And yeah, there you go. Okay, all set and ready to go. Turn it on. I'll make a beeping noise apparently. And yeah, there you have it. And the battery's low. I need to charge it. Oh wow. Look at that. That is so amazing. And I'm gonna do a separate video on how to set up this wonderful GoPro. I will see you guys in the next one. My name is Junior. Bye.